Hi there and welcome back to Spring Minds. So in our first video we learned about the pronunciation of phonic sounds, and those were the 26 letters. So we learned the sounds that each letter makes, and of the 26 letters, 5 are considered vowels and the other 21 are considered consonants. So for the 5 vowels, we have A that sounds or that says A, we have E that says E, we have I that says E, we have O that says O, and we have U that says A. So those are the 5 vowels. And then we have B, D that sounds D, F that sounds F, so Z that sounds Z. Those ones are considered the consonants. Now we are going to use these vowels, the 5 vowels, to create magic. That we are going to use them for blending, and then we are going to use them for our CVC words, which simply means our consonant vowel consonant words. But today we are going to focus mainly on blending of 2-letter sounds with the short vowel A. Blending of short vowels, blending of 2-letter sounds with the short vowel A. So we begin with the very first one, which is B, A, Ba, B, A, Ba. So you notice that I'm writing the vowels with my red water pen or the color pen. And we have K, A, Ka, K, A, Ka, D, A, Da, D, A, Da, A, Fa, A, Fa, G, A, Ga, G, A, Ga, H, A, Ha, H, A, Ha, J, A, Ja, J, A, Ja, A, La, A, La, A, Ma, A, Ma, A, Na, A, Na, P, A, Pa, P, A, Pa, A, Ra, A, Ra, S, A, Sa, S, A, Sa, T, A, Ta, T, A, Ta, V, A, Va, V, A, Va, W, A, Wa, W, A, Wa, Y, A, Ya, Y, A, Ya, Z, A, Za, Z, A, Za. So these are all the sounds that we'll be needing for our CVC word for short vowel A. You'd notice that I didn't bring E and A, which is like EA, because that gives us E. So we don't get the phonic decoded, like be able to decode it phonetically as we want. So that is out. You also notice that we don't have E, that's I and A. We don't have O and A. We don't have U and A, and then we also don't have Q, because Q usually goes with U. So we don't have those ones here, because those ones don't really go with the phonic rules. So these are our lessons for today, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye.